Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this channel is give you guys an actual 100x opportunity. And this is going to be an opportunity that you can still get in on and you don't have to pay anything. So you have the opportunity to get in early, make life-changing gains. Okay, so if you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you are one of the 10 to 15 people who have already joined this. So let me know. I would like to hear from you. Let me know what you think about the app updates. And let me know, what do you think this project is realistically going to do on launch? Do you think we can make $1,000, $100, $10? Or will this be 100x gains, right? So, guys, if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. This is the official Crypto Moose channel. Here we have tons of videos. I also have an older tutorial. So if you were watching that, that would have been great. But guys, we are talking about DeNet. Okay, so it's a new decentralized DePIN play. So it's, referred to as like a data keeper. And a lot of us are going through the midnight claim phase 2. I saw some comments where some people were saying, all this for, 80 tokens, 90 tokens. Guys, it's very difficult to get a 10x, to get in early on something. So that's what this video is about. I want to give you the one project that if they do launch, you pay $0. And all you have to do is literally tap your phone. So right now we are screen recording. So I'm going to go out and then I'm going to open again. So we're going to go through this together. So let's pop this up on screen while we go through what we're going through. So guys, use the link tree. With that, you can make sure that you're downloading the right app. And then of course you get free tokens for using the referral code. So go here under 100x projects. Of course there is BDAG there too, BlockDAG. But this one I'm very excited about. So make your phone earn. Okay, so this is what we're going to pop up, and maybe we'll get into some other stuff as well. So right here, if we look, I'm just going to hit scan to earn. So when you open up this app, all you have to do is tap a button. Okay, so here I just earned 8,000 tokens. Right now I've been doing this for a while. So every day I'll log into the app, I'll hit the button, maybe 5-10 minutes a day at night. So if you can build the routine, open up the app and just hit the button, it just shows that you are interacting with the app. And that's what's going to give you the potential for a beautiful airdrop, right? So if I scroll up here, you can see tasks. So I recommend to do this one, and the app has been updated and I like that. Okay, so a lot of projects, you start using it, you get in early. Like guys, Pi, remember Pi Network? If you were actually mining on your phone and you did it every day, you could have made $40, $50, $60,000, right? When the Jupe DEX came out, right, for Solana, that's the biggest DEX aggregator. It aggregates different decentralized exchanges, pulls the best prices. You could have made $100,000 potentially, right? So here we're going to go back. And of course, if we go here to claim and details, this is where you're going to go to claim if you have friends. So of course, I would love to add more of you guys here. But if you invite other people, then you get more of claim rewards as well. Okay, so hit claim. As you are accumulating more tokens, you are able to level up. So right now I'm at stage 42. I'm higher than Kevin Gardina. So Kevin, if you're watching this, I'm doing a little bit better. And you told me about the app. So guys, level 42, if you go here to upgrade. So for me, once I reach 23.1 million tokens, then I will be able to upgrade again. So that's a basic thing that you can do with this app. And I believe it goes to 50. Yeah. So coming soon after 50, we'll see how this plays out. The app update is pretty cool. The other thing that you guys can do that will come out is the education. So you'll be able to watch videos and then earn more tokens, right? So Keep in mind, guys, nothing's financial advice. Do this at your own risk. But it's one way that if you're starting out in crypto and you want just the opportunity, right? Just a little bit, a little seed that you plant that, even if it doesn't rain, maybe it'll still grow, right? This is the opportunity. Okay. You'll look back in a few years and think, all I had to do was open up the app, right? So it would have been very easy to do. The other one, DeNet tasks. So a lot of times what you'll see is out of 5 and then out of 10. All you have to do is every time you claim like 5 times, this opens up once or twice a day. You hit claim and then you can earn even more. So you can expedite the process. The other one is the learn and earn, and then the watchers everywhere. So you can take a screenshot and you can post on your Twitter with your screenshot and put hashtag watchers everywhere and then tag DeNet, and then you claim your tokens, and it is very significant. So guys, I don't think you're going to be earning $23 million, but like you see here, Scan Me, you can see that you can earn tokens. And when the project, if it does have an airdrop, you're going to be one of the first to get it. And it could be life-changing rewards. Also, on top of everything, if you go under claim, you can see that token rewards from storage clients. I have a little bit of peak tokens. So I believe that's a partnership with DeNet. So a lot of interesting things happening. So guys, let me know, how is it going with you when it comes to DeNet? Have you started? I really recommend just starting the app, just hitting claim. It's so easy. It's your once in a lifetime opportunity. This is a potential 100x. So guys, hit up the link tree. If you have crypto, of course, get into the tangent. And if you guys hold Cardano, hopefully you guys claim phase 1 and you guys earn some night tokens. But also the scavenger mine is live. So I just did a tutorial on that as well. And that would be this one. Claim phases explained. So it would be this video with 700 views roughly. And that is a step-by-step tutorial. All you need is a Cardano wallet. You do not have to have a certain amount. You just need a Cardano address and you have to leave a tab open. Very simple. So those are 2 opportunities right now to earn crazy airdrop. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one, guys.